Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to add Vizio TV to Google Home. Let's go. Step 1. Open Play Store or App Store. Find Vizio Smartcast app. Install the Smartcast app and add your TV there. Open Google Home app. Devices. Add. Works with Google. Find Smartcast app. Vizio Smartcast. Continue. Log in to your Vizio account. Your Vizio TV will be moved to the Google Home app. That's it. Now you know how to add Vizio TV to Google Home. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.